So yeah, just got back from the nursery, and this is the new lawn ornament. Of course, it's got a cat. Looks like my outdoor cat, Ollie. Got 2 hanging plants. That's a tomato plant. Some begonias here. That flat was missing a begonia, so I randomly stuck that in. Some potting soil. These other flowers here. Some stuff there. This I already got from work. They were thanking the essential workers, and Lowe's for Mother's Day was kind enough to give everybody that at my nursing home. My winter pansies are here, so for now I'm going to leave them. They're not super flowering right now. And then I got this hanging pot right here already hung in place. Beautiful, beautiful pink flowers. And this was a gift from a friend on Mother's Day, so I've already planted them right in the middle. So I'm going to get to work, and I'm going to share how the garden looks. So this is how it's turning out. I moved that original hanging pot from Lowe's and put it in here. And then moving on down, I've got some of these flowers put into place. For now, this is my little area of lawn decor, or garden decor rather, until I get a few more things. So for now, and that's the walking path and that back area, and that's where the hose is. So from the front, this is how it's looking. These are the ones that I've gotten in the ground. This is my weed preventer, and it says plus plant food, and I put this in the ground before I place my flowers. So I have them all lined up, and I'm gonna keep going. It's a couple of weeks past when I planted my flowers, so they're starting to grow, some of them. Some are still puny. They haven't fully grown because the weather just hasn't been super summery. And as you see at the front here, we put down the bricks to finish off the edge of the garden. And yeah, the flowers are growing. They're looking great. I really like these hanging pots. And I definitely like how the bricks came out. Every year, little by little, you get the garden growing and looking more pretty. Alright guys, that's it for today. This is my garden of 2020. Let me know what you think down below. As always, hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!